Hi, first grade. In our last book we read, it was called A Seed is a Promise. There was a little experiment where they said, have your mom and dad help you. You can get a lima bean and soak it in water overnight. And then in the morning, have a parent help you cut it in half, and you'll be able to see the embryo inside. Well, I didn't have a lima bean, but I did have a green bean. So I soaked it overnight, and I wanted to show you the special parts. Here you can see that there is a little part sticking out of here, and that's called the radicle. It looks like a little root growing, and that's the very beginning of the root. But I took a little knife, because I'm a mom, and I cut it in half. And when I cut it in half, this brown part kind of starts to crumble off. And we call that the seed coat. Here you can see the seed coat. And we don't need that anymore. That's the outer covering of the seed. And you can have a seed coat look differently for different seeds. So for example, a sunflower seed might look like this, and you crack it in half and it falls off, and it's kind of like a hard, crunchy coat. And then the seed's inside, the sunflower seed. But in this type of seed, the green bean, it's a soft brown coat. So that's the seed coat. And then if you cut into the actual bean and open it up inside, you can see two little leaves. Do you see those two little leaves? And that is the embryo. That is the promise of a plant inside. So the book was right, and you can do this experiment at home as well. And you can find the embryo inside of your seed. Remember, the process of a seed growing is called germination, and every seed is a promise of a new plant to grow. Have fun.